Let's be honest, at this point the Escalade isn't competing with other SUVs. It's competing with first-class lounges, private jets, in your living room. And somehow, it's winning. Today we're taking a full deep dive into the interior of the all-new 2026 Escalade. If you're new here, welcome. If not, you already know we take Cadillac seriously around here. This is the 2026 Escalade, and Cadillac has completely redefined what luxury, technology, and presence should feel like inside of a full-size SUV. Let's start with the driver's seat, because that's where the magic really begins. Front and center, you have Cadillac's massive 55-inch curved OLED display. Crisp, high resolution, and completely customizable. You can have navigation, performance data, and media all living in harmony in a luxury tech orchestra. This screen isn't just slapped on, it's integrated into the design. It's intentional, and yes, it looks just as ridiculous in person as it does on camera. Behind the wheel, everything is exactly where it should be. Digital gauge cluster, solid controls, no cheap clicks, no guesswork. This is confidence in button form. Now let's talk seats, because this is where the Escalade really separates itself. And they're not just heated and ventilated. They're multi-way power, massage, and sculpted like they were designed by someone who understands long drives and short patience. Look at the materials. Real leather, real wood, real metal. No fake chrome, no plastic pretending to be something it's not. Everything you touch feels expensive because it is. Down here, you've got everything. Cup holders, wireless charging, USB-C everywhere, and a center console deep enough to lose responsibilities in. Cadillac understands modern life. Phones, tablets, coffee, chaos. It all fits. You've got Google built in, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands that actually work. You can say, "Take me home," and it won't emotionally distance itself from you. This is where the Escalade really flexes. Captain chairs with available executive second row, heating, ventilating, massaging seats, and individual screens. Your passengers are not passengers, they are guests. They have climate control, seat control, media control, and probably a better life than you. Legroom for days, headroom for hats. And yes, you can absolutely take a nap in here and wake up in a different state. Even the third row gets respect. Adults fit comfortably, no knees to chest, no regrets. Cadillac didn't treat the back row like an afterthought, and your friends will thank you for it. You have ambient lighting throughout the cabin, customizable to your mood. Chill, dramatic, or I just closed a deal. Pair that with AKG Studio sound system, and suddenly your commute feels like a concert. Even the speakers look expensive. That's attention to detail. You have your panoramic roof, natural light pouring in. You have an interior space that feels open, calm, and powerful, all at the same time. It's not loud luxury, it's confident luxury. This is the thing about the Escalade. It's not trying to be trendy, it's not chasing minimalism, it's not apologizing for being bold. It's saying, this is luxury now. Catch up. And honestly, most brands are still trying. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I get it, then you owe it to yourself to see it in person. Photos don't do it justice, videos don't do it justice. You owe it to yourself to come and sit in it. Come by and experience the 2026 Escalade and see what Cadillac luxury actually feels like. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the driver's seat.